Hi everyone, my name is Shayna from WTI, and are your shoes in need of a good wash? Well, let me show you the easiest way. This is the Household Essentials Wash and Dry Bag, and this bag is awesome. This bag is mesh with a Velcro opening, and it has Velcro straps, and it works with any washer. You can just throw it right into the washer. I love that I'm able to not only wash my shoes but also dry them in the same bag, and the shoes stay put inside. So the bag will attach to most front loading washers with the Velcro straps. I like to put them crisscross so I know that it's really secure on my dryer. So I normally just wash one pair, but I really wanted to challenge myself to see if I could fit two pairs of shoes, and lo and behold, it does. So I love that my shoes get a good cleaning, and it saves time because I wash and dry them with one bag, and my shoes keep their shape after the wash and dry, and that's my point of view.